Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to see and manage your loans, savings and insurance all in the SpareBank 1 mobile app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to see and manage loans, savings and insurance in the SpareBank 1 application, what you can do first is simply head over and open up your SpareBank 1 application. Then once you're inside, tap on get started and then log using your bank ID, Face ID, fingerprint or PIN. Then once you're logged into your account, on the home screen you will see overview option. On the bottom of the options, simply select it if you haven't, and then this shows all your accounts including current account, savings account, loans or mortgages and cards. So now here you need to do is, in order to view your loan, simply tap on the loans option and then you can see the total loan balance, monthly payment amount, interest rate and next due rate. Some loans let you simulate extra payments to see how fast you can pay off the loan. And now next is to view your savings account by simply tapping on the spare contour or your savings account, and then you can see your current balance, recent deposits and withdrawals and interest on. Some savings account allow you to transfer money directly from your checking account as well. Now in order to view or manage insurance, look for securing insurance in the top or in the app menu, and you can see type of insurance, policy number, coverage details, payment status, and some policies allow changes online like updating beneficiaries or coverage. Some of the additional features are simulations, payment reminders and document uploads. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.